Hello. Okay. I did a few things, but now I need to make it work. Now the player has its own inventory. And we also got this inventory up here, which the player can interact with. But the player can't move items to another inventory. Which I have no clue how to do this. I've tried this earlier. No clue. Zero clue, zero idea. So I don't know. I really don't have much idea how I would do this. So I hoped I would figure it out on my own. Right now. Might as well try again. If it fails, well, I'm sure there's something else I can try. Okay. So we need I think we need the select item and place item. I think we need to do stuff with this one. So the selecting item is fine, but then placing the item is what we need to do. So let me check here. Place item, and let's see everywhere where we call it. So we call it here where it's created. We call it in the UI. Place item. We also call it in the inventory. Okay, that's the bruh. Okay. So we're calling it in main, and we are also calling it in the UI. Let me in UI and main. So we need a reference for the other inventory where we to place the item. Hello, James. Hello, Luby. What's up? So do and if we have the index, we would also need to reference the destination inventory, I guess. So how would I? I need to see. If I open up the inventory and I open a container, I need, if I'm moving items from the player inventory to here, it needs to be done like that. But if I'm doing it from the container to the player, it also needs to work like that. So I guess whatever item I pick first is the inventory, and then this is the destination. And if I pick an item from the player, this is the beginning, and then this is the end location. Maybe we don't even need a... Maybe we don't even need this. What's it called? What did I... Destination inventory. Maybe we don't even need it. Because if we do... Yeah. I think maybe, I don't know. What do we call it here? Let me check. We call it in the UI or handle event. This is all the way here. So we just call the Y and X for that inventory. So so we need to reference the other inventory here. Equals none. Now it's none. So we put here, and then the player interacts, and then okay, let me have this side so I know what. So if we open up the inventory and we select an item, and then if we have not like placed an item, then select the item. Okay, got it. And then if we have otherwise select the item, and then if the event button is 3, then like split the full stack. Got it. So that's how that would look like. So I guess, okay. I need to modify this. Like, I need to get the other inventory. I need to get the Y and X, which is these, where to select or place them. And then all of that needs to happen here too. And I am... Wait, do we have it? No, that's just a... Okay. Maybe we could... What if we do a... container tile, and then if interacted, we, I don't know, set true, and then if true, we go ahead and set to inventory. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, so I found a way to possibly set the other inventory, which is that. Okay. So we need to go in here, and let's go down here, and let's do this. So def get other inventory self and file ID. Okay. So over here we need to get inventory and set it in from inventory, set the self dot other inventory to the interacted tile. Then after we're done, set it back to none. I think this is what I need to do. So we need to do check. Thanks. It is looking nice, but I'm trying to move the items from one inventory to another, and it's a pain. I've been trying this for like a few hours and so far no success. Check if the tile ID is in there, and if interacted is true, then set the other inventory. Okay. Okay. So if file ID in self.interact tile manager Container tiles and self interact tile manager. Container tiles tile ID. That is cool. I can't wait to be finished with my inventory so I could also have the player be able to like do something, like I can finally start implementing something like you did, like so you can bind blocks or something, resources, anything. You can pick up those items. That's okay. There, I found a few inventories like in Pi that have been done in Pi games, so you can look at that. I didn't um I didn't watch any tutorial while making this. I don't know if they have like tutorial for like multiple inventories like Minecraft, from the player inventory to the chest or something like that. So then we need, oh wait, no, because this is somewhat bad because I don't have an inventory reference. That's still okay. That's still a fun game. Roblox is a fun game. No, I want to make, like, currently the player has his own inventory, which is this, and he can like split the items and place it. I can also like remove items from the inventory. He can stack them and he can swap positions with the items. But if I open like a chest like this, like, sure, the items are where they were, but I can't move items from the container to the player's inventory, and I also can't do the player inventory to the container. That's what I want to do, so the player can store the items in the container and the other way around. I can't reference the inventory if I have created it. Maybe I can self inventory equals inventory, maybe. But if I set it before, it's just gonna be set to this, and if I set it after, then this is gonna be going. I probably, that is not a bad way, now that I think about it. But right now, I could maybe make it work like that. That is not a bad idea. But the problem is, I need some way to communicate between the inventories, because I have the select item and it selects only for the one inventory, and the place item just places it in the same inventory. So I just need to somehow modify this, I guess. What am I doing here? Yeah, I need to somehow modify the placing of the item so it can accept the other inventory. That is what I'm trying, but your idea... How would I do that? I select an item. I would need to... I need a way to register where I click. So... So if I have not selected that item, and if I have not placed it, I select the item. And then once I have selected it, wait. Oh, select if I'm not placing it here, then just select it. Otherwise, just select it. Oh no, that's just okay. So place the item. Wait, I just got an idea, but I forgot it now. If I... Yeah, that's what I thought. If I somehow somehow over here can do the... Yeah. I think... The player is technically not attached to the inventory. The inventory is just like created. It doesn't belong to anyone. It's just activated when I press a keybind. And it's pretty much the same for the inventory. If this fails, I might have to do like an inventory manager and just add all of the inventories to a list. But I'm hoping this works because that's gonna be a pain to make. I think what you said, I think I can make it work, but for that I need this to get the current inventory I interacted with, and then use that to set it here as the, instead of the self.inventory, to set it as the other inventory where I'm placing it. I think that's gonna work. Yeah, probably. But right now I'm hoping I don't have to, because if I do, I'm not sure how much would I have to rewrite and remake. I would like not to remake a lot of stuff. Should I just return? I mean, I do have a few managers over here. I have for the UI, I have for the items, and a few things also. I think maybe I have 3. Maybe I will do it, but if I can make it work like this, I'm just gonna leave it and be done with it. If I run this, nothing. Everything should stay the same. Print. Print this. Actually. Print that. I want to see. Okay. Okay, I need other inventory. Like so. And then let me see the output here. Yeah, I don't have that many managers. I tried making like an engine or a framework a few months ago in Pygame, and I had like a manager for pretty much anything, like entities, images, UI, camera, sprites, pretty much everything. Scenes, scene manager. But then I got abandoned because I ran into issues and poorly written code, and I would like to retry that again, but for now I want to do this. I want to make an actual game instead of trying to do some other stuff. Okay. So it registered that by... Okay. What did it print out? Directed with... Oh, we're not calling it anywhere. That's why. Self get other inventory. Oh. If player interacted with container, get other inventory. Dot container. No, this is Copilot. Container tiles dot. Wait, how did I do it here? Container tiles tile ID dot. Wait. Yeah, sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not. Or container in container values. I don't know what other like AI ones are. Suggestions are out there. I only know about Copilot. I know there's one which can be used to like be trained with your own like code, so you can train the AI to fit your stuff. And if container dot interacted self get another. Okay, please work. Okay. Okay, you got it. So let me see. We have that value. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and oh, those are slots. Got it. Okay, I think this works. Okay. So if this works, should I implement that in here and just have it ready? Hmm. That's for that. Okay. And then this one is okay. Okay. I think I can. I think I just end this. Or whatever the word is. And then just do this. But I can change this now, right? Container or wait, can I just keep it like that? Wait, no, I would need to change it. And then this would be container dot this became complicated. Why? If okay. So then up here we can just call this. And then up here we don't need anything, and this should still work. Let's see. I need this. Let's see. Okay. Other inventory. Okay, it got it. Perfect. And once I closed it, it ended interaction. And perfect. Okay. That's good. That is good. So then, once I have the other inventory, I can place it. But I think I also need if the other inventory is open. So if it's true. So wait, do I have access to the level? If I don't, this is gonna be really awkward. Maybe I don't need to. Maybe I can, yeah, I think I could. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Level, handle. Handle event here. Where's the... Wait, where do I handle... Where do I handle the inventory events? Stall level inventory UI, okay. If self toggle it and that's it. Do I manage up to what? That is like if we interacted and interact. What? Where do we handle the what? Invent. I don't get it. Why? Where do I handle these inventory? Oh. They are hand... Oh no. This is the worst. I can't reference it here. Because if I do... And this is a UI element. Yeah. And then also... The UI elements are... What? Oh, yeah. Handle event. Oh, this is so bad. Okay. I would need to... I don't even know what. I guess I don't even touch that. But I have... Wait. Wait a minute. I just need to pass this one somewhere. It doesn't have to be here. This is just proof it works. So if that is correct, that is the other inventory. Okay. So okay. So I think I can do it like this. So set the inventory UI other inventory to the get other inventory output. And what? That's it. And once done, set it back to none. Okay. If self.inventory UI okay. Does this still work? And it broke. Inventory UI. Why? I get it why you died, but still why? It shouldn't happen. The none is the problem, isn't it? Oh boy. Maybe we set it to self. What? It's that's not how. No, that's not. If sell.inventory.u, it doesn't know. Wait. Do I have no? If self.inventory dot, do I have an interact in here or something? No. If self dot inner tiles dot interacted. Okay. Wait, what did you suggest? And self dot inventory UI, set it to that. Otherwise, else. Wait, this might work. This might work. Nope. Ah. You broke has no attribute interacted. Okay, container tiles. Tile ID. So for Okay. Is this what you mean by that? Nope. Um. So wait, is it actually just key? Keys. What is keys? Mm-hmm. Okay. So problem is that nothing. If so we need to do it. What the hmm. But that what I mean if self inventory is not none and self dot. Oh, you mean here? If self dot inventory UI is not none, then we do. Is that what you mean? Okay. Okay. We can open the inventory. Okay. And okay, so it happens when we interact. So if we interacted, self.inventory UI, that other inventory equals self get other inventory. Okay. Yep. I really prayed it didn't, but I had a feeling like if that worked, then it's just gonna crash when I touch the tile. And that's what happened. Hmm. Let's get other. Yeah, maybe you should have like a um multiplier that you can change, and then based on the multiplier, like if the multiplier is 100, they like fill out your map. But if it's like 4, it's like rare. And then you can change the you can just change the multiplier to set how many resources you have, or you could do it like for, I don't know, You can set the resource multiplier for rocks to be like 15, and for, I don't know, some other resources to be a different value, and then change the multipliers. Okay. And do I have to do the same thing here? So if self dot inventory UI is not none, can we do this? Why? This should still crash. That worked. Okay. Okay. Didn't crash. So now we have the other wait. Do we have the other inventory? Print. That. And then here. Actually, no. That other inventory, and then here to none. Let me see. Does it actually work? How I... Okay. Oh, do I need to... Oh, that is... Oh, wait. I need to do it quickly. So this... And... Oh, wait, no. This... And this. Okay. Set other... Okay, it works. Okay, set other inventory. And then set other inventory to none. I'm not sure if this works properly. Oh no, it does. But because it does every other inventory, it just... Because if I go to... do that, and then here, if I do this, like this should do what I think it does. So let's see. Like this. And so if I go back up, set other inventory to none, none. Other inventory is that. Okay. I guess it works. And then we can use this to put it in here. So if that, perfect, all good. But then we maybe have another. If self dot inventory selected item and self dot other inventory if not... Wait, I have to do this for multiple. Wait, I need to do this. I need to do place and select. And I have to do this. Select. I have to do... Wait, I have to do... Layer. Select. Place. Container. Then I have to do container, select to layer, place. Okay. So let's do the player 2 container first. If the player selects an item, so if inventory is selected item, if inventory selected item, place into other inventory. Okay. So if not, self inventory place item y and x, then we self dot other inventory dot select item elif self inventory dot wait, is this gonna work? I don't think it is. Let's see. Please. Nope. Damn it. Is it gonna work the other way around? If I select that and place, nope. Okay. Sell that inventory, not none. Wait, is not none? Like so? No crash. List index out of range. Yeah. I feel like I'm so close, but I just don't get it. Let me ask ChatGPT. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say to this. To complete it. I'm just trying to place the item in the other inventory. So from their inventory to container and the other way around. Let me do this. Okay. Level. Okay. Inventory. UI. Well, I'm hoping this is gonna work. Okay. So in here, if self. Wait a minute. Let me just undo all of this, what I did. And let me just do that. So now if I try this, this should be the same. And yep, nothing is gonna crash. I can't move anything. Yeah, perfect. That's what you said. So if I just copy and put this here, I have no faith in this working. But if it does, I'm gonna have to see what you did. Nope. Okay. Promising. Okay. Okay. Oh, and nope. Shit the bed. Okay. Oh, nope. Okay. Well, why does it... Let me see the crash again. But if I just open the inventory and just do that, it's normal. Like it works. Like that's fine. But if I open the container and interact, it just dies. Why does it... Oh. Hmm. Yeah. Kind of shits the bed. Okay. So with that logic, place item. Target slot. Okay. 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 Oh no, that's in place. So that is okay. Okay. So is this gonna fix it? Nope. Still died. let me see what you did here. So if selected item, place it else, select. If another inventory, okay. If not, place, okay. Oh, I think I got it. It's So let me undo and bring it back to how it was. So yep, I can do everything. Okay. So if I go over here, trying to place we okay. So if I check the current stuff I've changed, okay, there's that, and that is the okay, that places the items, and then this here is okay, and then in here I have just added those. Okay, so in the inventory, in the placing of the item, we can remove this. Now it's back to somewhat normal, I guess. Okay. Placing of the item in the other inventory. Okay. Other inventory equals none. Row column target if not selected false. And then if target slot that, okay. Okay. If other inventory is specified, try to place there. So if other inventory return other inventory dot receive item self dot selected item, and then self item slot okay. I'm praying this is gonna work. And then if button 1. That's what you have to say. that's that's Wait, no. Ah, there's a bug. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This is what you've given me. And then if other inventory. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. It it somewhat works. It's not the best, but it's something. So I can technically do this. Wait. Wait, how do I... How did I... How did I don't even know how I managed to move it. It's... Thank you, but it's still not done. I have no idea how I managed to move the items to here. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, so I can only move it from the... Okay. So I can only move it from the player container to here. Okay. Okay. Wait, I need this for the reference. Jeopardy came in clutch. I thought this was a lost cause, but I guess... No, the current thing is that I can move the item to the other, like to the container, but not from the container to the inventory. Because right now that's it. That's how it currently works. So I need to do the other way around. And then also fix it, because currently if I have an item here and I try to move this one, or yeah, like this, it just moves it to the first place. And also like wherever I click is just gonna move it to the first place. Oh, so I can move the items from the player inventory, but I can't move the... What? Okay, so okay, that's a lot of confusing things. Moving items only works from inventory to other inventory, not the other way around. That works to What do you mean can't generate resources? Are you trying to generate them like... What do you mean by generating? Like, do you have a loop that it's supposed to run and then spawn resources every like 1 minute or something like that? Well, first you need to make them spawn, and then later on you can add the chance as a variable, so it just looks through that chance and then you spawn it. Maybe you're only trying to spawn one instance and it's just you're trying to spawn, for example, one plant, and that plant has a chance of being spawned, but since you're only trying to spawn one, you have a very maybe like a small chance of it spawning. Okay. Well, maybe depending on what your chance is, maybe try increasing the chance and see how it works. And if increasing the chance works and it's still like rare, maybe you just made it a little bit too rare for your own stuff. Um, you removed the... Okay. Did it work how you want it, or it it worked kinda, but you know what you have to fix more? Um, where's the... Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I get it. It's okay. Okay, your English is fine. No worries. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay, so this is your... Oh, okay, got it. So you change this. Accept it. Got it. And then in here... So if left click and this, and then... Okay. Okay. Please work, then don't. And I... If that, then this. Okay. Now work. Dude. Like, okay. What the? No, we... Okay, that's back to what it was. And then bring this back to how it was. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Your brain, what the fuck? Okay. Other inventory, okay. Place item. You're trying to... Why just... I hate this. Yeah, I did make them complicated. Like if I okay. If I don't figure this out soon, I'm just gonna give up and let it leave it for a day or two until I figure out a way to solve this. Maybe I just restart the whole inventory from scratch. I don't know. It shouldn't be that difficult, but somehow it is. Like, this is already done, it's just... okay. If Jeopardy doesn't help, I'm just gonna try and do it myself, I guess. No clue how. But I guess I can figure it out somehow. Okay, what do you suggest now? To place the item from the inventory. Inventory is initialized in the level. Like, I can access the inventories, that's not a problem. I can move items from one inventory to another. The problem right now is just a few things, which is if I go like this, if I open the player inventory, like if I open up the inventory, I can move, select items, split, whatever, move them. But as soon as I open up the other inventory and I select an item and place it wherever, it just gets moved up into the container. Like if I select this item and place it down here, it gets moved up there. And I can move these items around. I can split them, whatever. But as soon as I pick up an item here, and if I want to place it up there, it's not going to work exactly. But if I place it down here, it's going to get moved up there. So if I just, pick up items here and want to, that's... they just get moved up there. So it just needs to... I don't know. everything is rendered, updated, and drawn in the level. And then the level itself is just being in like the main class, the event just does a few things. Two of them are tests, I think, that can be removed later. And then there's just update, draw, and then the run, and that's it. Everything else is done in here. The level. But okay, you're suggesting this. I don't believe this is gonna work, but I have nothing to lose. And then in here you have given me this. And this is your solution. And that just shits the bed. Okay, and then this one, bring it back. So this needs to work to how it was before. Okay. Okay. So receive item. Let's go with the problem one by one. The moving item only works from one inventory to another. Okay. Let me copy this. Put it in a notepad or something. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we need to go here in order to... Okay. So we do that, okay. 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 This is what you have given me. And now if I just Just do it like that, what you said. And then okay, that doesn't work. Okay. Yeah. I thought you might have, and that's why you maybe had issues. Because sometimes you try to set the things to be like rare, and what you consider rare is like very low value, but then when you try to test it out, it's like, oh, it's bad. You can't see it. It doesn't have to be like rare, like 1 in like 1,000. Yep, that's an issue. It just teleports and yep. Think about diamonds in Minecraft. There's, I'm not sure if this is true, but I'm pretty sure there's at least 1 diamond in every chunk, so every 16 by 16 area. And diamonds are considered rare. I'm not sure if that's true, but even it's like, if it's like a 4 by 4 chunk, so 32 by 32, to have 1 diamond there is still not bad, so that you can maybe base your rareness on that. Yeah, I can, but if I do that check, it says out of bounds. It just teleports because I tried it before and it just won't. Like, I'm at least glad it works like this, even broken. But I would like to maybe find a way to fix this where I can move the items from here to here, and then I can actually, you're right, I should do the slot first. You are right, I should do it that way. So moving items works if I just have the no click on items so that, and the other and then open. If I click there and then select place to put. No, it's the problem was I'm not sure if that problem would happen now, but before it happened because it tried to reach an index in an array, which was the target index was bigger than the actual array. So that's why the error happened, because I was trying to somehow merge the two arrays or something. I don't remember. And that caused issues. So, place item. Okay. Oh. Now this seems like something that would work. Okay. Okay. Right. Nope. Ah, damn it. Okay, why does it break? Where's the... Yeah. List index out of range. It happened now. Because I tried to place it in a different... I don't even know what it even attempted this from ChatGPT. If I bring it back to how it was... I don't know, that happens. Okay. Now, okay. ChatGPT ain't cooking. I have to do this myself. Okay. If it works, it works. Don't touch it. Hmm. If other inventory, receive item. But this only... Bro. Am I seriously gonna have to redo the whole inventory from scratch for the 4th time? Okay. If I made half of this work on my own and the other half was done by ChatGPT, if I can transfer it to the other container, then I know I can do it. I just need to find out. So I select an item and I want to place it here. But once I place it in the actual container, nothing is going to happen. So if I place it in the player inventory, because the container is open, I move the item to the closest... Wait. Do I make this a feature or a bug? Where you just click items and they get moved. I don't like this, but could I work around it? That's funny. How could I? Hmm. I can move the items, but I need. Oh. We need to add the destination to this one. So success equals place item. Stuff. Okay. And then in the receive item, we need to pass the select item if placement in the other inventory failed. Try and place it back into what? Huh? So if not success, then other inventory. So what? Self inventory, place item, that one, the other inventory. Okay. If some other okay, else self um oh okay. I think I got it. I'm gonna try this for a few more minutes and then I'm just gonna I don't think give up. I'm just gonna postpone it for another day. So the other inventory currently is pretty much hard coded to be the container, so the chest. So I need to check not I need to check this in the UI. I need to check the receive item and then the item slot. What? Hmm. Gross. I am unsure this is what ChatGPT sent me, so I am not. Wait. Items. Items slot up back. That's the only place where it's called. I guess the items. No, it doesn't make. It doesn't make sense. I don't know. I honestly don't know. It is. It made it work somehow. I have no idea how. Wait. It might actually not be a genius. Yeah. It's it's not a genius. It's just that this line here never gets called. That's why this over here is kind of working. It's just never getting called. That's why I don't like if your self-place item other like if you're what? Okay. I think I need to implement the inventory differently. This is working, but it's also a pain. Now, what kind of inventories are there? There are those lists. There's this inventory, like Minecraft. And then there are those, I don't know what game is it, where it's like you have like a grid and every item takes up an amount, which is gonna be pretty much the same as this inventory, but like placing stuff and moving it. And the list one would be easier, I guess. Wait. This current inventory is a list. Yeah, this solution would work in the current inventory because all of this is an array, but it won't work because it would be a lot harder to implement than if it was just a list. Because if it were just a list, then I could just go ahead, remove item, append it to this array, and then that's it. But it still would be difficult to do. I don't know how I would do this. Do I make the inventory a bunch of buttons? Because if I make it buttons, and the button is either going to show the item plus the amount of the item, or it's gonna show no image and nothing, it's an empty slot. And I can click on it, whatever, hover, it's gonna somewhat work, and that's it. Okay, so then it gets the button, what I click. It's still the same thing, it's just done differently. It's still the Let's see what Google has to say. Types of inventories in games. What are the actual like high game inventory tutorials? Like what are they like? Items in inventory, Terraria, okay. Wait. Vision, trees, particles, player invent, okay. Wait, I need to turn off the music for this so I can listen. Watering, rain, plants, harvesting, merchant. Yeah, that didn't really. Are there maybe any other tutorials for this? Do platformer, Mario, camera, Space Invader. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Just, nope. What's this? Okay, no luck with the tutorials. Do I make the... I could make the inventory one inventory and just fake it. So the whole inventory is the player and the containers. But then if the player opens his own inventory, he's gonna see his items. If the player opens the container, he's gonna see the container items. If the player opens both, they're going to be combined into one inventory. And then no. I have to give up on this. I can't. I need to... Like, I've had a few ideas. I got somewhere. I didn't solve it. I need to give myself time to let this sink in, and maybe I'll figure out something along the way. Thank you for watching, Luvi. If I'm saying it correctly. Sorry if I'm butchering it. Saying it wrong. And wait. And yeah. Yeah, I am. I can't. I need to give myself a break. So I can maybe find a different solution, or just give myself enough motivation to restart the inventory. Because right now the only thing I want to do is give up, but I would rather not. I just want to let it go for a while and then come back. That's it. Good luck with your own project. And bye. See ya.